spread love and positive vibes. Thank you so much to the new subscribers and the returning subscribers. We really value you, we love you, and we appreciate you tuning in to our channel, subscribing to it and liking our videos, and also commenting. We don't take it for granted, guys. Yesterday I had a video on Jamaica's national anthem, and several people came to me and asked me, Lam, we would want you to go through our pledge, our national pledge. And today, who am I to say no? I've come up, or rather I've come to talk about the national pledge of Jamaica. Now, sometimes I usually wonder, or rather I usually are amazed at how Jamaicans come up with something so creative, so constructive, so deep in the wording that comes from whatever they come up with. Like, for example, yesterday I talked about the national anthem with very, very deep words, requesting God to actually grant them what they have talked about in the national anthem. And when I was looking at their national pledge, I was perplexed, I was amazed at the wording of the national anthem of Jamaica. It is actually another prayer. It is a commitment. It's a desire. It's a will to take Jamaica to the next level, to bring love and joy to the people of Jamaica. Now, before I elaborate on the national pledge of Jamaica, let me go through it as I talk about it one by one, word by word, sentence by sentence. Now, let us look at the first sentence of the Jamaican pledge. It says, before God and mankind, I pledge the love and loyalty of my heart. In other words, in this sentence alone, Jamaicans are showing their commitment to love mankind, to actually show respect to mankind. And it is a desire deep down inside their heart that they are going to show love to mankind. You know, I am usually perplexed at how God answers prayers, because this was just a prayer in the national pledge of Jamaica. And I told you yesterday, the national anthem of Jamaica is just a prayer. But in every word, in every sentence, God has fulfilled the desires of the people of Jamaica. Now we come to the national pledge. The first sentence is to ask God that they be loving to the mankind, and they pledge loyalty to the mankind. A very, very strong desire to serve other people. They don't start by me. They start by spreading love to other people. And I think that is why God honors the prayer and the desire of the people of Jamaica. Because it's not about me. Their pledge, their national anthem is about other people. It's about being good to mankind. It's about spreading love. It's about being loyalty. It's about being respectful. And when you pray to do good, when you pray to be the best version of you, God even adds you other blessings. And we can see for sure Jamaica is blessed, like I said yesterday. So the fact that they desire to love other people, to show loyalty to other people, God grants them the love of other people and the love among themselves. Remember that Jamaica is a multiracial country, whereby we have different communities that actually come from different countries that reside in Jamaica. But they have their motto, out of many, one people. God has granted them that out of the many races, out of the many people, out of the many tribes, I don't know whether I can call them tribes, guys, out of those people that live in Jamaica, out of many, one people. So the desire of the people of Jamaica are actually fulfilled by God because of putting priority in other people, putting priority to serve mankind. The next sentence is very powerful, just like the first one. The wisdom and courage of my mind. In other words, the Jamaican person is actually desiring God to give him before God. Actually, it is a swear, it is a pledge, it is a sort of an oath taking before God. That before God and people, I pledge the love and loyalty of my heart, the wisdom and courage of my mind, the strength and vigor of my body in the service of my fellow citizens. What a strong prayer. This person is deeply touching every part of his body to be loyal to Jamaica, to be loyal to the citizens of Jamaica. Remember, he has started by saying, before God and mankind, I pledge the love and loyalty of my heart. In other words, I pledge that my heart will pour love, will pour respect, will pour everything good to other citizens of Jamaica and even outside Jamaica. The wisdom and courage of my mind, the wisdom and courage of my mind, the strength and vigor of my body in the service of my fellow citizen. This is a person who is desiring to sacrifice, to offer their body, to offer their souls, to offer their mind to their country and the people of their country. And that is what we see in Jamaican people. In the field events, athletics, they pour their whole, their mind, their soul, their whole body to make Jamaica shine, to make Jamaica a better country than all the other countries. No wonder they win in so many races, because it comes deep inside them. The desire to serve their fellow citizens, the desire to serve their country, the desire to make their country shine, the desire to make their people shine. This deep desire makes Jamaica one of the best countries, or one of the country with the best runners, one of the country with the best footballers, one of the country with the best cricketers, one of the country with the best boxers, and all what we see. Remember that we said Jamaica has produced some of the most intellectual people in the world, because of the desire to serve other people, other citizens. It's not about the desire to serve myself. It's not about the desire to do my things. It is the desire to offer my body, my soul, and my service to the people of Jamaica. It continues. I promise to stand up for justice. My God. Sometimes I am so happy when I am going through what Jamaicans desire in their hearts. I promise to stand up for justice, brotherhood, and peace. That is why we see Jamaica was in the forefront in South Africa's apartheid end. Jamaica was in the forefront in Kenya's attaining independence. Jamaica was in the forefront in Zimbabwe attaining independence. Jamaica was in the forefront of Haiti. Everywhere. They are even taking part in restoring peace in Haiti, because this is one of the desires of their heart. It's a promise and a commitment to humanity and God. And that is why God gives them the desire to fight for others, the desire to represent others, the desire to make others free, the desire to fight for justice, the desire to fight for equality. Because it's a prayer, a deep desire inside their heart. They have asked God, God, I promise to stand up for justice, for brotherhood and peace, to work diligently and creativity. So that is another prayer in the pledge of Jamaica, to work diligently and using creativity. We see a lot of creativity in all heart's desire. It's a prayer that was said by the people that were writing this pledge. It's a prayer that is incorporated deep down the souls and the hearts of the people of Jamaica. It's a prayer that they desire inside their hearts. It was not just written. It's something that is inside the Jamaican people, to love other people, to show respect to other people, to be creative and hardworking, to work for the betterment of Jamaica and its citizens. And that is how Jamaica has succeeded where others have failed. That is why Jamaica sustains peace. That is why Jamaica is always very creative in all what they do. That is why Jamaicans have actually produced great people in the great countries that we know. In USA, we have seen Jamaicans reading in great positions there. In Canada, the same. In UK, the same. Because it was a desire before God and they prayed for it. And God has granted them their heart's desire. And it continues to say, to think generously and honestly, so that Jamaica may be under God. Increase in beauty, fellowship, and prosperity, and play her part in advancing the welfare of the whole human race. Maybe I can repeat the last one. To think generously. You don't have to think about yourself, about your family, about you. We find a lot of community in Jamaica. There is a lot of extension of community. The desire for others to be in good position. The family ties are very strong because it's a prayer before God. To think generously and honestly so that Jamaica may under God increase in beauty. May under God, not under their strength, not under their power, not under their knowledge, under the God. Under God. So that Jamaica under God. So they first recognize the sovereignty of their creator. They know they cannot do without God. And therefore they incorporate him in whatever they desire to have. To think generously. To be honest. So that Jamaica may under God increase in beauty, fellowship. Do you know Jamaica is very beautiful? Oh my God. This is so deep. That to increase in beauty. Which other country is as beautiful as Jamaica? From the airport to the north, to the south, to the east, to the west of Jamaica. We've seen beautiful sights, beautiful landscapes, beautiful mountains, beautiful rivers, beautiful lagoons, beautiful caves, beautiful people. The list is endless. Because it is a deep desire and it is a prayer. Jamaica under the power of God. Increase in beauty. Fellowship. Fellowship means coming together, doing things together, dining together, uplifting each other, supporting each other. And all that we have seen in Jamaican people. They are very, very good at supporting each other. At one time, Irina said clearly that when he arrived in Jamaica and started doing research on the videos she wanted to shoot, the Jamaican people are very, very supportive. They offered fellowship. They offered love. They offered support. When Dimwango went to Jamaica, Jamaicans showed a lot of love. Until there is no other country that Dimwango has made a lot of subscription and money like Jamaica. Because it is a desire to be generous. To have the spirit of generosity and honest. Under God to increase in beauty, fellowship, prosperity. We can see a lot of prosperity in Jamaica. And play her part in advancing the welfare of the whole human race. Jamaicans do not just desire their country to be better. They also desire other people to live better. And that is why they were in the forefront to fight for the freedom of others, to fight for the welfare of others, to fight for equality of others. I really salute you, the people of Jamaica. By the way, sometimes I usually look at the people of Jamaica and I ask myself, how did they come up with such strong prayer, such strong words, such strong desire? It's like there was a spirit that was guiding the writer, guiding the person who was writing the national anthem, guiding the person who was writing the pledge, guiding the person who was coming up with the Jamaican motto, so that all of the three combined together can make Jamaica a better place, can make Jamaica prosperous, can make Jamaica peaceful, can make Jamaica attain their goals. This is epic. This is so great. And by the way, guys, I don't know whether there is a country with such strong national anthem and such strong national pledge, a desire, a prayer before God. And that is why God has honored the desire of the people of Jamaica and has given them supernatural love to extend to others, supernatural concern to show others concern, supernatural generosity to show others generosity. A great character that is deep down their hearts. And once again, I salute you, the people of Jamaica, because we are seeing all these traits in your people. Great people who have actually been awarded the desires of their heart by God. I think I'll stop there, guys. See you during the next video. Bye-bye and God bless.